Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my demo of my new Chrome extension software called Instant Bonus Page Maker. So now you can instantly make a bonus page for any offer in a couple minutes, so you can start really making more money, hopefully, with your any affiliate offer. But you always need bonuses because you want them to buy from your link. But if you're not giving out bonuses, sometimes it makes it more difficult. So I'm going to start this demo right now. So this is the Chrome extension. When you open it up, and basically over here you have the page, the overall page there. So I've already added a few images to the page here. And what happens that here you have the basic design. You could change the wording at the top of the page, also the product name, give a main headline, a subheading. So that's your basic product description. Also the price or text offer information, guarantee offer. You can take that out. A link that you want inside the click here to get started. And it's to see, as you see, I already added the image for that particular on the basic area. Now the bonus section, you could have as many bonuses as you like. All you do is hit this link to add bonus levels. In the bonus section, you're able to edit the information also very easily. Anybody can do it. No coding required. As I say before, you can add more bonuses just by clicking the links here. Let's see, add bonus. Okay, so you can add more bonuses. And it's to say, where you have control of everything on this page here. And also this works once you're finished with the HTML page. It works on desktop, tablets, and mobile. So as I said before, this is very simple. You could have a bonus page made in a few minutes. You got color panels to change the different colors. You can add a guarantee tab, show affiliate disclosures, show bonus values, open offer a new tab. So you could uncheck those if you like to. And let me see here. So this is all done. I haven't added really too much text here, but I was just showing you how you could add anything you like there, and it's going to instantly change the page here. Okay. So you don't have to really know any skills. This took out that one word, or change the whole paragraph there. Okay, now I will show you what it looks like once you download as an HTML file, which is basically all ready to upload it on your hosting account, your server. Okay, and as you see, you can add as many bonuses as you like, or take away some bonuses. So here's your page here. A very clean page. Get your offer there. You add your bonuses and images. You don't have to add images. I have two different areas for bonuses, and you could remove the affiliate disclosure section or leave it there. So there's your page that's ready to go to start. That's ready to make money for you as soon as you upload it into your system. This is Larry Kearney. If you have any questions, click the link below and get started today.